Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here we are. Today we're gonna go to the restaurant. This is the name of the restaurant, okay? This one is in the city, close to the Hollands. You say Hollands is there, yeah? So let's go guys. My friend will invite me, okay? She will pay for me because I have no money. Okay, let's go guys. I'm gonna show you. Well, and here, of course, this is the buffet. You say wait here, and then of course this is the guys here working. There you are. And then yeah, I picked up some food already, and this is the food. So here we are. Show a little bit. So I'm gonna show you the food. So over here. Look at that. Of course, if you like buffet, sushi, and here more, and of course here. So here we are. And of course, this is our artista. Yan. Siya yung ating bagong recruit natin today, guys. Siya yung next recruit natin. Siya yung magiging artista natin sa susunod. At magiging cameraman natin sa susunod. Okay? So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, sabi niya worth it. Normally, dapat kanina pa kami kakain. Ang katotohanan niyan is paborito niya kasi to. Yan. Paborito niya yan. Yung lumalangoy-langoy na yan. Kaya lang ngayon patay na. So, inantay pa niya yan kasi kinuha pa yan sa Pilipinas. Okay. So, pinadala pa yan. Ang tagal din namin nag-antay. So, imagine mo, natapos ako ng alas 3. Tapos, ayun nga, sabi niya, ngayon lang kami kumain. Alas 5. Asin talaga kami ang nangunguna sa restaurant. Kami pa lang, ayun o doon. Talaga sinugod na talaga namin. So, kami talaga, asing first kami. Sa Pilipinas, kami lang ang unang-una dito. Ayan, kita mo, VIP kami. Mahilig yan sa VIP. Ayaw kasi niya ng mga mahihirap. Gusto niya mayaman lang. So, dikit kayo sa amin. Okay? So, ganun ha, guys. So, ayan, enjoy na si Madam. Yan.
Gutom na ako kanina pa kami kumakain.
Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. So please like and share kung gusto niyo pumunta dito sa Stockholm. Buffet, okay, so Filipino food, mix siya. So nandito na lahat, okay, sa Chinese restaurant.
Holiday.
So thank you. Ang pangalan niya Holiday, okay? So siya ang manlilibre. Actually binayaran niya na. Hindi kasi ako kakain, baka sumakit ang tiyan ko eh. Libre niya ako today. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you again for our next video. Love you all guys. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.